In this video, I will show you how to reset Google Chrome to factory settings. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, for whatever reason you want to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a Google Chrome browser. Then what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots to bring up this menu, and on this menu you want to come down and click onto settings. Once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side. If you look towards the bottom, you're going to see an option which says reset settings. Give that a click, and on the next screen you're going to get a window like this where it says restore settings to their original defaults. So what you want to do is give that a click. At this point, it's going to give you an overview of what's going to happen. So as you can see, this action is going to reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, and delete cookies and other temporary site data. So from here, just click the blue reset settings button, and that's going to start the process to reset Google Chrome. So that's how to reset Google Chrome to factory settings. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.